At Dynacast, we've spent over 80 years perfecting how to make the highest precision die-cast components in the industry. Our secret? It's our proprietary multi-slide technology. This unique approach combines state-of-the-art tooling with the most sophisticated injection system in the world. Simply, this enables us to produce even the most challenging designs with tolerances of just 0.02 of a millimeter. It allows us to run at 6 times the cycle speed of traditional alternatives, and it delivers net-shaped components with minimal part-to-part variation and greater repeatability. Ultimately, it gives today's design engineers greater freedom to create more complex, more precise parts, to consolidate multiple components into one, and to do so shot by shot to the very highest quality. You see, there's die casting, then there's precision die casting from Dynacast. Dynacast,